So now we are in step 36, that is content density. So basically that content density is the compact on desktop device and cozy on touch enabled devices. So it's not difficult, we just need some configuration. So first we have to go to the Component.js, and that is the init function, and that is the end of the init function. After that we have to create a function that is get content and SI density class. Basically that is the class, and here so then we have to return device dot support dot touch. So here is the conditions on that. So SAP UI size cozy, then SAP UI size compact. So here, and after that we have to go to that app controller. So add view controller, app controller, then in here that is the extent, and we need to find init function, and that init function we have to add that is this dot get view dot add style class, and inside that we can this dot get owner component dot get content destiny class. We need to close this, and after that we need to update in the manifest. So here after that SAP UI5 is okay, so that is the end of the SAP UI5. After that we have to create another, that is content density den say densities, then here the compact is true, cozy true. Okay, so that's all. So now if we now it is in the desktop, so if we refresh, then you can see actually it is now it is the applied the contents density, and yeah, it's look different. Okay, so that's all. let's continue with the accessibility in the next tutorial.